Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Computer and IT Fundamental Practical, we are going to perform boot troubleshooting in Windows. We'll understand how startup issue occurs, how IT support engineers troubleshoot them, and how recovery tools like Safe Mode, Startup Repair, and Windows Recovery Environment are used in real-world environments. This practical is demonstrated safely on a Windows system without modifying critical system files or causing damage to the operating system. Why boot troubleshooting matters? Boot troubleshooting is important because startup failures can directly affect productivity and system availability. Basically, in enterprise environments, IT team uses troubleshooting techniques to identify startup issues, reduce downtime, and restore systems quickly. Understanding boot troubleshooting is also an essential skill for IT support engineers, system administrators, and cybersecurity professionals. So let's start right now. Now we are inside Startup Apps in Task Manager. These applications automatically launch during Windows startup. Too many startup applications can slow down the boot process and increase system loads. In real world IT troubleshooting, administrators often disable unnecessary startup programs to improve startup performance. This is Event Viewer, one of the most important Windows troubleshooting utilities. System logs help administrators monitor warnings, errors, service failures, and startup related events. In enterprise environment, Event Viewer is commonly used to investigate startup issues and identify the root cause of failures. Now we are inside Windows Recovery setting. Under Advanced Startup, Windows provide an option to restart directly into the Windows Recovery environment, also known as WinRE. This environment is used for advanced troubleshooting and system recovery. The system is now restarting into the Windows Recovery environment. IT support engineers use this environment when Windows cannot boot normally or when advanced troubleshooting is required. This is the Windows Recovery Environment interface. From here, administrators can access recovery and troubleshooting tools to diagnose and repair startup related issues. Inside Advanced option, Windows provides several recovery utilities, startup repair attempts, automatic fixes for startup failures. System restore helps revert the systems to a previous stable state. Startup settings allows us to boot into safe mode. Startup settings provides advanced boot configuration options. From here, Windows can start in safe mode using only essential drivers and services. Now Windows is restarting into safe mode. Now Windows has started in safe mode. Notice that only minimal system components are loaded. Safe mode helps isolate software conflicts, startup issues, problematic drivers, and malware related problems. In safe mode, administrators often investigate device drivers because faulty or corrupted drivers can prevent Windows from booting properly. Safe mode is also useful for disabling problematic startup application and troubleshooting software conflicts in a controlled environment. After troubleshooting is completed, the system can be restarted normally to return to standard Windows operation. Quick Machine Recovery is an automated recovery utility that attempts to detect and fix startup-related problems automatically. It checks essential boot files, startup services, and Windows configuration settings. System Restore allows administrators to revert the operating system to a previously stable restored point without affecting personal files. Command Prompt provides advanced troubleshooting capabilities. Tools like System File Checker and Check Disk help detect corrupted file systems and storage-related issues. In enterprise environment, these recovery tools are extremely important for minimizing downtime and restoring system quickly. Understanding boot troubleshooting is an essential skill for IT support, system administration, and cybersecurity professionals. Let's look at a real-world boot troubleshooting example. Suppose a user reports that Windows is taking a very long time to start or freezes during boot. In this situation, an IT support engineer would first check startup applications, analyze system logs using Event Viewer, and if necessary, use safe mode or startup repair to isolate and fix the issue safely. Thank you everyone for watching this practical 2-boot troubleshooting demonstration. In this practical, we explored the Windows boot process, startup troubleshooting techniques, Windows recovery environment, safe mode, startup repair, and recovery tools used in real IT support scenarios. I hope this practical helped you understand how Windows startup problems are diagnosed and handled professionally. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical IT and cybersecurity content. Thank you and see you in the next practical.